Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix GCash app declined your payment. So, first thing you need to do is to open GCash as you see from here. After that, you need to verify that you have the right amount of cash on your wallet. So sometimes there's some taxes applies. So if you have $50 in the GCash app and you want to buy with $50, you need to add some more money for the taxes. So this is the first fix, and actually sometimes this is the actual fix for this problem. So if this didn't help you, you need to try this fix. So you need to go to your profile. I'll see from here. You need to click on this button and you need to make sure that you are fully verified. I'll see from here. You need to go to settings and see if you can verify your account. After that, you can try to go to the settings and clear your cache from the GCash app. I'll see from here. Click on clear cache and that may fix your issue if the app is bugged or something like that. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.